Looking for the perfect gift for the man who has everything? Today we're uncovering 20 trending tools. Gift ideas for men on Amazon that are not only practical, but seriously futuristic. From smart gadgets to game-changing tools, these picks will upgrade his everyday life and spark some serious excitement. Stick around till the end. You won't believe some of these innovative must-haves. Number 1. Lenski Magnetic Pickup Tool. This magnetic pickup tool saves you from crawling under furniture or reaching into tight, risky spaces. The strong magnet easily grabs dropped screws, bolts, and metal parts, while the extendable handle reaches deep gaps your hands can't. Perfect for garages, workshops, and car repairs, it turns frustrating moments into quick fixes. Lightweight and easy to store, it's a tool you'll use more than you expect. If you work with hardware, this is a must-have. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 2. tekstap Magnetic Work Light. This magnetic work light gives you bright, hands-free lighting exactly where you need it. It sticks securely to metal surfaces and angles, easily to aim light into dark corners. Perfect for car repairs, garages, camping, or emergencies, it keeps your workspace clear and visible. Rechargeable power means no constant battery swaps, and the durable build handles tough jobs. Compact, powerful, and incredibly practical, it's lighting done right. Availability is tight. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 3. KOMAX Electric Scissors. These electric scissors make cutting effortless and smooth. They glide through cardboard, fabric, plastic, and more with the press of a button, saving your hands from strain. Lightweight and rechargeable, they're perfect for crafting, packaging, sewing, or office work. No more jagged edges or tired fingers from manual scissors. If you cut materials often, this tool saves serious time and effort. Stocks are moving fast. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 4. KELIN Ratchet Screwdriver Set. This ratchet screwdriver set speeds up repairs with smooth one-hand operation. The ratcheting action reduces wrist strain, while tightening or loosening screws quickly. Interchangeable bits handle multiple screw types, making it perfect for furniture assembly, electronics, and home fixes. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable even during long jobs. Compact, organized, and built for daily use, but it replaces bulky toolboxes easily. Availability is tight. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 5. ZOOI Pocket Ratchet Screwdriver. This pocket ratchet screwdriver packs serious utility into a tiny size. It fits in your pocket yet delivers powerful torque for quick fixes anywhere. The ratcheting mechanism makes tightening screws faster and easier, while the included bits cover common screw types. Perfect for travel, tech repairs, or emergency kits, it's always ready when something needs fixing. Small tool, big convenience. Stocks are limited. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 6. GIRIAITUS Carabiner Multitool. This Carabiner Multitool turns your keychain into a compact toolkit. It includes a bottle opener, screwdriver, knife edge, and wrench, all built into one sturdy clip. It's strong enough to hold keys or gear. It's perfect for everyday carry, camping, and quick fixes. Instead of hunting for tools, you'll always have one on hand. Simple, smart, and surprisingly useful. It's a daily essential. Availability is tight. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 7. GIRIAITUS EDC Multitool. This everyday carry multi-tool puts real problem-solving power in your pocket. It combines pliers, screwdrivers, a blade, and other essentials into one compact, rugged tool. Perfect for camping, road trips, and quick fixes at home. It saves you from carrying a full toolbox. The solid grip and durable build make it reliable when things get tough. If you love being prepared, this tool is a no-brainer. Deals won't last? Check the description and grab yours now. Number 8. CINCOM Hand Massager. This hand massager melts away soreness and stiffness after long work days or heavy phone use. Gentle air pressure and heat therapy relax tired muscles and improve circulation. Perfect for people with arthritis, carpal tunnel, or daily hand strain, it feels like a mini spa session at home. Easy controls and a cozy fit make it simple to use anytime. Give your hands real relief. Availability is limited. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 9. Teslong Articulating Borescope. This articulating borescope lets you see inside tight, hidden spaces without taking things apart. The flexible, adjustable camera head bends to look around corners, making inspections fast and accurate. Perfect for plumbing, car repairs, wall cavities, and appliance checks, it saves time and guesswork. Clear video and a bright light reveal problems instantly. If you troubleshoot often, this tool pays for itself. Stock is moving fast. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 10. HOTO Electric Wine Opener. This electric wine opener makes opening bottles effortless and elegant every time. Just press a button, and the powerful corkscrew glides through without pulling or fuss. Perfect for entertaining or everyday enjoyment. Rechargeable and sleek, it eliminates hand strain and messy cork fragments, giving you a smooth pour every time. Ideal for date nights, dinners, and gifting, it turns bottle opening into a moment worth savoring. Check the description and grab yours now before availability runs low. Number 11. Tutuebobe Metal Hammer Toy. This metal hammer toy delivers satisfying stress relief in a compact, desk-friendly design. Built from solid metal, it feels sturdy and premium while helping release tension through simple tapping. Perfect for fidgeting, focus breaks, or gifting, it's a fun way to relax your mind and hands. Small, unique, and oddly calming, it stands out from typical stress toys. Quantities are tight. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 12. edcfans Carabiner Multitool. This Carabiner Multitool turns your keyring into a ready-to-use toolkit with built-in functions like a bottle opener, screwdriver, wrench, and cutter. It stays strong and secure while clipped to your bag or belt, so you always have practical tools within reach without extra bulk. Perfect for outdoor adventures, quick fixes, or everyday carry, it makes small tasks smooth and simple. Smart, compact, and surprisingly capable. Check the description and grab yours now before stock runs low. Number 13. UUP Magnetic Tool. This magnetic tool belt keeps your screws, nails, and small tools right where you need them. Strong built-in magnets hold metal pieces securely, so nothing drops or gets lost mid-job. Perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and professional work, it saves time and reduces bending and searching. Comfortable to wear and easy to adjust, it makes every task smoother. Smart, practical, and incredibly handy. Deals won't last. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 14. HP Sprocket Photo Printer. This pocket-sized photo printer lets you turn phone memories into real prints instantly. Connect via Bluetooth, tap print, and watch your photos come to life in seconds. No ink needed, no complicated setup, just simple, fun printing anytime. Perfect for scrapbooks, gifts, or decorating your space with memories. Compact enough to carry anywhere, it's creativity on demand. Stocks are moving fast. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 15. KEIFUKUH EDC Pocket Tool. This compact pocket tool packs multiple everyday essentials into one sleek design. It includes handy features like screwdrivers, a cutter, and pry tools for quick fixes on the go. Perfect for travel, camping, and daily carry, it saves you from carrying bulky tools. Lightweight yet durable, it fits easily in your pocket or bag. Simple, smart, and always useful. Availability is tight. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 16. Nintendo Switch OLED. This upgraded gaming console delivers stunning colors and sharper visuals with its vibrant OLED screen. Play at home or on the go, switch modes instantly, and enjoy smooth performance across your favorite games. The enhanced display makes every scene more immersive and enjoyable. Perfect for solo play or group fun. It's entertainment anywhere, anytime. A must-have for gamers. Supplies are limited. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 17. STREBITO Electric Screwdrivers. This electric screwdriver set turns tedious screwdriving into a smooth, effortless task. With one-button control and a rechargeable design, it drives screws quickly and accurately without wrist strain. Perfect for furniture assembly, electronics, and home projects. A full set of precision bits handles a wide range of screws, so you're ready for almost any job. Compact, easy to use, and built to last, it's a real game changer for DIY and repairs. Check the description and grab yours now before stocks dip. Number 18. Ratchet Storage Straps. These reusable storage straps keep cords, hoses, and tools neatly organized. The strong hook and loop design adjusts to different sizes, preventing messy tangles and clutter. Perfect for garages, workshops, and home offices, they make finding things easy. Durable and reusable, they replace disposable ties for good. Simple organization that actually works. Availability is tight. Check the description and secure yours today. Number 19. Elikliv Laser Tape Measure. This laser tape measure gives you fast, accurate measurements at the push of a button. It measures distance, area, and volume instantly, saving time on manual measuring. Perfect for home projects, renovations, and professional work, it reduces errors and guesswork. Compact and easy to carry, it's a modern upgrade for any toolkit. Precision made simple. Deals won't last. Check the description and grab yours now. Number 20. Prowin Universal Socket Set. This universal socket set grips almost any nut or bolt shape with ease. The flexible internal design adapts instantly, replacing multiple sockets in one tool. Perfect for home repairs, car fixes, and DIY projects, it saves space and frustration. Strong and durable, it handles tough jobs without slipping. One socket, endless uses. Stocks are moving fast. Check the description and secure yours today. Sigsub. Thanks for watching. If you love these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Comment below which one is your favorite. Stay tuned for more amazing gift ideas for men that you can grab right now.